Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to appeal a permanent ban on your Modern Warfare 3. So to do this is pretty simple. So first you'll have to go to your Activision support right here and then you have to log in. But if you want to go the more direct, you can do so right here by going to support.activision.com/ban and then appeal. And then there you go. So you'll have to log in from here and you want to submit a support ticket to appeal an account penalty. So here you will have to log in to continue, of course. So here you can learn about the offenses that can lead to the enforcement by going to this link right here. If you can do so, if you have violated such things right here, you are really due for banning, and this will not be reverted by Activision unless you have consented and actually adhered to your own rules that is given right here in Activision. As you can see, such as pirated content, so when it's third-party use, and then you can also get one from unsupported peripheral devices, such as your those devices that give you auto aim, and here you got boosting, glitching, griefing, offense behavior, and many much more. But you can appeal right here by just logging in to continue, and you'll be able to submit a support ticket to appeal your account penalty. So there you go guys, that is how you appeal your permanent ban on Modern Warfare 3. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.